7 helpful sites beginner web developers out to know. Getting into web development seems like a massive undertaking because there's just so much to learn, but do not panic. These 7 sites have coverage of the thing you need to know. W3 School is where I first started learning web development, and it's excellent at helping people progress quickly from the early stages of their learning to intermediate developers. They try it yourself function is one of the best thing for new coders, allowing you to try out a code in the middle of a sense. It's a web based interface. You can interact with it from anywhere, even through your phone. The site covers HTML, CSS, and JavaScript through step by step. If you are new to front end development, this is probably the best site to get your feet wet. The, they are not overwhelming, and they focus on a single useful things you need to learn. MDN Web Dux is an excellent example of a free and open source platform. You can access HTML, CSS, and JavaScript documentation and examples on a well organized website. Among the tools the site offers are an interactive code playground and extensive API documentation, a community of developers updated. If you are new to coding and are more inclined to using documentation because it has example, MDN Web Tux might be a great utility for you to use. It is not designed for a brand new developer, however, so this might be one of these resources you keep for when you already have a solid grasp of front end basics. If you enjoy real world challenges, free code camp is the best place to start. The free cover HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Node.js, and React among other things. The site's community natural makes it easy to learn from other and ask question in an accepting the understanding environment because of how flexibly the site is. You are limited to one area of learning. So for example, you could start working on HTML, then once you have gotten com- competent with that, you could jump over to CSS or JavaScript and start learning these languages. It's by far one of the most flexible places for learning front end development, and it's super user friendly. One of the most popular place on the internet to see example blocks of code is Stack Overflow. While there are no secret lessons here, you can get a glimpse into people with similar problems and get answer that might work for their individual project. Both beginner and experienced developer use Stack Overflow to help them solve a problem. A lot of the code that